Hey everyone, TruthSurge here. You're looking at my carpet right now, but I'm going to show you my third, that's 3 fingers, my third puppet, and maybe it's anticlimactic to do it this way. I wanted to do this other video, but it's going to take some time, so I thought, hey, I'll just do a quick video and just show you this puppet. I've never seen a puppet like this on the web, anywhere. So anyway, without further hesitation, I'm going to show you this puppet. And yeah, it's going to be cool when I do these skits, man. You're going to go, no way. Oh yeah. What puppet is it? Oh no. It can't be. Oh no. What? Yeah, it's Jesus on the cross. Oh yeah, I can't zoom out anymore. See if I back up a little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah, bitch. Zoom in, get his head, man. Look at that, man. Yeah. Crown of thorns. Let me see if I can. The beard, cuts all over his arms. Oh no, a spike in his hand? That's gotta hurt. Blood. Oh man. Blood. Another spike in the arm. So this is the Jesus on the cross puppet. And yeah. It's gonna be real cool. Check out those legs. They're shorter than his arms. Oh man, this is gonna be, when I do this here, I probably block the light, but let me see. So like, that's how big he is. Let's see. There's his nose. Yeah. What do you think, G's? It's gonna be cool, isn't it? That's what I thought. Anyway, so this puppet's gonna be real cool. Except when I film him, I'll probably do the old, film him below like that, which makes it look like we're looking up, at an angle like that. Jeebus. Hanging on that cross, man. Look at it zooming in his feet. If I can. Man, that's gotta hurt. And the blood. The blood on his, the blood looks like it's wet, sort of. It's like it's congealed. Yeah. Not gonna tell you how I did it. Anyway, that's it.